Hello, what we're going to do today is I'm going to give you a really short video on Water Properties Webquest that my third and fifth period are going to be doing tomorrow. So first thing I want you to do is I want you to be really nice to Mr. Nance, and I also want you to remember that he's getting up in age, and all those dry, dead skin cells that are lofting around the room, just try to contain them because it could really hurt Mr. Nance's respiratory system. Okay, so if you notice what I've done here is I've actually typed in water properties HTML, and you can see this is the water USGS Gov EDU water properties HTML. This is the site we want. Looks like this, and you can see we have lots of different bullets here. We have bullets here, and bullets here, and we have bullets here, which we're not going to do. But what I'd like you to do is to work through these bullets and find out about facts of water, adhesion and cohesion. And you can see adhesion and cohesion. These are pictures that I actually used in the PowerPoint. Adhesion, where water sticks to everything. Cohesion, when water actually sticks to itself, making these nice little droplets. Water likes to stick, because it's a polar molecule, it sticks to anything that's neutrally charged, negatively charged, or positively charged. But you're just going to walk through and do all this stuff, capillary action, where we actually can move up things. And hopefully I'll be able to show you something like this next class. And go through, and we've already talked about some of the stuff in here like meniscus. And you're going to also find out when you go through some of these over here, hardness and pH. You will have already talked about some of it over here, and I'm not exactly sure where, but I know it's in here. But just move through these 16, these 6, these 6, actually those 5, these 6, and those 6. Move through those bullets, writing down the major thing about each one. The facts of water, you're going to get quite a few things in here, and if you've already written those, when you get to like capillary action, let's see if we can actually find that on here really. Surface tension, capillary action. So you can actually see the capillary links probably back to this capillary action, but if you've already written it here, you can summarize it very briefly. But I do want to know that you've walked through all these things. We're going to do an activity in class Monday and Tuesday. Either that, or we're going to do it Tuesday or Wednesday and Thursday. It all depends on when I actually assign C, because we may do an activity in that. That's a cutout activity, which I'll talk more about that when I get back to school. But I am going to be out Friday. Mr. Nance is supposed to be in there with me, and I'd actually like you to be nice to him and watch those skin cells. So go through these sites, go through these bullets, go through the sites, summarize the material. You'll see the water characteristic Webquest only talks about the physical water properties, water around us, chemical water properties, and the water cycle. It's not talking about this water science activities. Don't think we're going to do these at all in a biology class, but it is important to understand what water does in terms of life and the characteristics of water that make it so special in terms of our planet. Okay, that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.